Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the 2020 Heartland and we're working on this fancy Norcold fridge. And our problem is these door handles stick. And I can tell you, this pretty fridge, if you let it open while it's traveling, not only going to have a problem with your groceries, but you can see it's going to smack there. I'd encourage you guys to put some type of bumpers on there anyway. But these handles stick. Now you can push them back by yourself. You can push them back and do that. But there's an underlying problem here. You can see there's some gook in here just from people's hands. So there's a couple ways you can skin this cat. You can get some dry silicone lubricant. Don't use WD-40 on plastic. It's not good for it. Or you can just spray it in there because the spring is still good, but there's probably an underlying issue, meaning there's dirt and grime in there. So we're going to take these two out. If you want to stop there, again, dry silicone, like a garage door lube that you use on your rollers because it doesn't attract as much dust. WD-40 is not only bad for plastics, but it's also a dust collector. So as much as I like WD-40 for certain things, like old lawnmowers and whatnot, a dry silicone lube is going to be the best. And we're going to do all the doors. So once we got that off, it's just two Phillips heads, guys. You can see all the grime in here, and there's a little bit of gooiness here. And that's going to be enough to hang up those handles, those little clips, if you will. So I'm going to get this cleaned out with some water alcohol mix because it breaks down grease and grime. And then we're going to give the bottom part of the latch. We can go and shut the door. We're testing that out. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to clean all that. You can see right there where it's kind of grinding on the plastic. You can see the scratches. And we're going to go ahead and clean all of this off with just a terry cloth towel, put it in, lubricate it, and I'm going to show you how nice it works. All right, so we cleaned out all of the grime, guys, and now look at it. So again, if you don't want to take out the thing, you can just spray some of that dry silicone in there, and it should work. But I wanted to get all of that grime and grease out of there, and now we have the doors. Now we're going to do all four because why only do one? If only one's sticking, let's just prevent the problem from happening on the rest of them. So make sure you guys do sub. We have a lot of stuff coming up. I'm actually going to show you how to adjust a door on one of these for height because we also have a divider in there that's too low and it's catching wrong. So there'll be a video on that. But we have a ton of RV stuff coming up, especially as we move through the process on this new to us 2020 Heartland. Full-time living RV. No, we're not going to full-time it, but we're going to do a lot of stuff in here, guys. Lithium conversion. So we have tons of stuff on the channel. Go over and check it out, guys. It's always great having you here. I'm going to catch you on the next one.